Yeah, Tiff. So, we had a lot of rain earlier and even a tornado warning out in Ashtabula County. Obviously, that has long since expired, but there was a tremendous amount of rain out there earlier today. And we did get some verification on this, by the way. This is Ashtabula County and not a current radar, but it's basically radar predicted rainfall. So how much rain fell over the last 6 hours in Ashtabula County? Radar estimated rainfall is the word I was looking for. So we've got some spots 4.5 to 5 inches south of Conneaut, and then southeast of Kingsville we had a couple of spots picking up around 6 inches of rain. I received a few emails from people saying, hey, I live out in northeast Ashtabula County and I did end up with around 6 inches of rain. So thank you to everyone who sent their reports today. All the rain now is south of Akron. So we are almost done with this. We are so close to being done with rain for a couple of days. You can see Carroll County, Tuscarawas, and Stark County. Those are the main areas where we're seeing it. We're completely dry to the north, and we actually have some clearing around Toledo. Pretty cloudy here across northeast Ohio, but I think over the next hour or so, any lingering rain that we have is going to move out, and we should see at least a few little areas of clear sky before sunset, mainly west of Cleveland. Patchy fog developing overnight. You will need your low beams first thing tomorrow morning due to that fog threat. Now, the key word is patchy. Not everyone will see fog, but more storms arrive on Saturday, and some of these may produce gusty winds and heavy rain. So unlike today, where most of our rain came in a little bit later into the afternoon, Saturday we may even see some rain in the morning. We'll have your weekend outlook coming up in my first alert forecast. That's just minutes away. Yeah, the first half of the weekend, not perfect.
Okay.
We're going to have to deal with a little rain, but we'll get through it, and I do think there will be breaks in it. I don't think it'll rain every second or minute of the day on Saturday, but it is going to be damp out there. Here's future view waking up on Saturday. You can see we have some scattered storms in the area. I know this looks like a ton of rain. This is a really low resolution forecast model. I just really like the timing of it, and our short range guidance, which looks a little better, doesn't go out all the way to the weekend. So that's why I'm showing you this big blob, but just hang in here with me. These will be scattered through the weekend, particularly on Saturday. Saturday will also be warm and humid. We're going to be in the 80s, so we'll be about 2 degrees warmer than we were today. Today we hit 82, Saturday 84. If we didn't have rain, we'd be a lot warmer. In fact, we could get close to 90, but I think there will be just too much rain in the area. Occasional storms throughout the day. Keyword occasional. Again, it's not going to rain every second of the day, but what storms we do have may produce strong gusty winds, heavy rain, maybe some hail. We'll need to watch this potential very closely going into the first half of the weekend, and still some lingering storms out there on Saturday evening. Right now, our thunderstorm activity has, for the most part, come to an end, but you can see we have some showers. Stark County down to Dover, New Philly, Millersburg, and over into Carrollton, Sandy. These areas are still seeing some rain. Heaviest thunderstorms moving now out into Pennsylvania, so we're pretty much done with the threat for widespread rain this evening. Storms will be ending for us, or I should say those showers to the south will be ending for us. I wouldn't rule out like 1 or 2 passing showers, maybe a rumble of thunder overnight along the lakeshore. Most of us, though, will get through the overnight dry, and we're going to clear out in spots, but some fog is going to try to develop, so don't be caught off guard by that. First thing tomorrow morning, we start with kind of a blend of sun and clouds, a little fog. That will lift by mid to late morning, and look how cool we are. Tomorrow, almost 10 degrees cooler than today's weather. It's still probably going to feel like a little bit stuffy, a little bit humid in the morning, but into the afternoon, it should feel a lot better out there. I don't think it'll be nearly as humid tomorrow afternoon, and still fairly comfortable on Friday, but by Friday evening, it does start to get muggier. And then on Saturday, this is again your first alert for thunderstorms. If you have outdoor plans Saturday, for sure want to have an indoor backup plan. Sunday's my pick day of the weekend. Upper 70s with sun, maybe a little bonus cloud cover in the morning, but we should clear out nicely. And then we waltz into July next week. Waltz, where did that come from? We're going into July.